¿Por las buenas?
¿Por las buenas o por las malas?
Las malas, yo voto las
Empezamos por
malas.
las buenas. Y
Bueno, las malas es que no he tenido tiempo de revisar los business cases. Y la buena es que estaba revisando ya empecé a revisar los de navigation, ya revisé el de Sebastián y el de María Elvira.
eh,
Entonces, bueno, les tengo una
¿Cómo
propuesta.
nos fue? ¿Cómo nos fue?
Entonces, bueno, me hace falta revisar el de Leslie, pero no lo veo en el Teams. No sé, Leslie, tú me lo mandaste, dónde lo subiste? Entonces, lo que quería hacer era revisar el de Leslie acá con ustedes y el tiempo que nos quede, hacer una revisión de por lo menos uno, bueno, de lo que alcancemos aquí en vivo con ustedes del business case. Porque sí, me ha quedado difícil sacar el tiempo a revisar esto.
Pero digamos todos, la gran pregunta es, o que yo tengo, pues, es como, este business case es como el mismo del anterior, es decir, estamos como desarrollando el mismo proyecto, ¿cierto? Entonces
Es una
podemos ir
historia que se
mejorándolo.
va desarrollando, pero digamos, cada business case tiene sus requerimientos específicos.
Ah, claro, sí, son como preguntas distintas y todo. Pero
Ujú,
digamos, este tercer business, o sea, stage 3 o no del business case que ya está como más detallado, que ya tenemos más información, que es relacionado con los staff models, ¿no? Con las
ujú.
jerarquías y estos nuevos temas, es como del que vamos a hablar ahora, ¿o no?
El de
O todavía no.
organizations.
O sea, el segundo.
Ujú, el de organizations, sí.
Ok, listo.
Bueno, entonces vamos a ver el de Leslie.
perfecto.
Voy a compartir pantalla y ahí ustedes, ya les puse el puntaje de Sebastián y de María Elvira, se los puse en el chat, o sea, en
Oh,
Teams.
O sea, ¿nos fue bien? ¿Mal? ¿Más o menos?
No, les fue bien, les fue bien.
eh,
Les fue súper bien a los dos.
eh.
Bueno,
Entonces,
chévere.
vamos
Gracias.
acá, con
Gracias también.
gusto. Entonces, lo más interesante va a ser esta parte, donde vamos a poder ver, vamos a hacer esta evaluación en vivo y ustedes van a poder ver algunas cositas que no lograron hacer. Entonces,
Ok.
empecemos. Bueno, entonces, ok. Create an employee. Entonces vamos a abrir este employee. Bueno, L. Ok.
Cambié su nombre.
Ujú. Leslie. Ujú, ok, ahora llegamos allá. Entonces, race ethnicity. Pues tenemos acá. Race ethnicity, white. Ok, entonces yo voy poniendo los puntos acá del otro lado. Entonces, 1. Date of birth, 4/14/1976, 4/14/1976. Otro, 1. Position ID. Position ID. Para sacar el Position ID, aquí Sebastián se me confundió y me puso el Employee ID. Para sacar el Position ID, vamos acá al Position, Integration IDs, View IDs y tenemos esto. Lo bueno de esto o
Ah,
lo fácil de esto es que el Position ID está aquí también. Entonces, ahí lo habían podido sacar también. ¿Alguien iba a decir
Ok.
algo?
No, no.
Ok, entonces, otro punto. Job code. El job
No lo
code.
encontré.
Mira lo que estaba aquí. Súper, perdón.
Oh,
Si te vas a Job Profile, aquí tienes
Ajá.
el Job Code.
gracias.
Ah,
Entonces aquí, 0. Um, Location, New York. Entonces, vamos a ver qué dice aquí New York. Ok. Tú tienes acá los que son los bonus points. Sí, ahí los tienes marcados. Perfecto. Location New York. Location hierarchy name no está. Vamos a verla. Entonces, location hierarchy name. Puedo venir acá. Y location hierarchy. Aquí está. ¿Estás viendo?
North America.
North America
Sí.
y USA, Northeast US. Aquí a Sebas le di medio punto porque la de Sebas tenía otra. O sea, tenía
ah,
North America, tenía USA, Northeast, una
ajá.
así como esta y tenía otra. Y no la pusiste,
Ah,
pusiste solo 2. Pero
pues,
pusiste
ok,
2 y
pues,
la otra estaba ahí y no la pusiste.
ya. La historia de mi vida.
Entonces, ahí está. Bueno, Leslie en este caso no la puso. Ya sabes dónde sacarla, Leslie. Este también, para que veamos, también lo podemos sacar de aquí, Job, Organizations. Y creo que por acá sale también Location Hierarchy. Mira, aquí está. Aquí también podemos sacar esta información. Bueno,
Okay. Under
sí.
organizations.
Under organization, because this is an organization. A location
Got it.
hierarchy, remember, is an organization as well. Location
Cost center.
hierarchy. Ay, pero wait. Location hierarchy. But you did it. You did put it here. Location hierarchy.
Yeah.
Ah,
I
it
thought that
was.
was the hierarchy. I thought the name would be different.
No, it's here. So it's 1 point. Okay, let me fix this one. Okay. Cost center. Cost center is also here. 36,100, 36,100. Sometimes we can also find the cost center here in this little section here, but it depends on the configuration. That's correct. We have 1 point. Let me move this forward here. 1 point. The company your employee is part of company. Sometimes the company is also here. But in this case, we have to go to job organizations, company, global modern services. Okay, another point. The company
No,
hierarchy name. Yes.
lo malo es que pronto a estos personajes les pueden ir como cambiando la información si uno se demora mucho tiempo en volver a, ¿cierto? O sea, como constantemente están
Sí, puede pasar.
interviniendo.
Puede pasar. Might happen. Sí. Sí, como esto es un tema en que mucha gente tiene acceso,
Exacto, eso
it may
pensé.
happen. The company hierarchy name NA based on no, it's not visible here. Company hierarchy name, if we want to know that, we have it here. Company hierarchy, North America.
Okay.
Oh,
Es que
points
esos
here.
nombres parecen como muy genéricos, ¿no? North American, no dice, pero,
Sí,
¿no? Pero sí,
como
así se llaman.
the hourly rate. Okay, let's see the hourly rate or salary. Here, compensation, hourly rate, total base pay, 110,889. Yes. 1 point. Yes, it's correct. The compensation package. What is this? Compensation package? No, cannot see it too well here. No.
That's not the compensation package.
No, it's just a name. Let me show you. Compensation package. This is the answer. Team member. That's all.
Oh,
I think
okay.
Sebas also made a
Like,
mistake. I think
yeah.
Maria Elvira. I don't remember Maria Elvira. I think you got it right, Maria Elvira. But anyways, this is the compensation package.
Okay. Okay.
One assumes it's a number, ¿no? Como un salary o algo. Pero
No, it's a package. It's a name. Like
también.
if we go inside the compensation package, like you see, you know, it has eligibility rules, it has a description, it has an effective date, it
Wow.
has compensation grades, compensation plans.
Oh, look at all that.
Yeah, it has a bunch of things. A bunch of things.
Okay.
It's not just a number, it's not, you know, like an amount. It has many things. Usually we have one compensation package in the company. Usually. Companies may have several compensation packages, but usually it's just one. Okay, so compensation package, no. Name at least 2 benefit plans your employees enrolled. Correct. This is okay. We go here and none. Maria Elvira, I think, yeah, your answer was not correct.
Gym. No era
Mm,
gym, el membresía del gimnasio, el membresía
Penitencia.
del seguro. No era
yeah,
cosas.
yeah, but your employee was not enrolled.
But he was
Your
eligible, no? O sea, she
but
was
not
part of a group that was eligible.
look. This is your
No, I
employee,
was
Maria Cardosa.
Maria Cardosa, yes. That is her
And if
name.
we go here to benefits, see, she's not enrolled.
But she's member of a benefit group. Can we check that? I mean, she's member
Yeah.
of the.
Let me show
She's
me.
member of.
Where is it?
Because it might have been changed, you know. I mean, like, I got it. Yo también, o sea, yo lo pensé así, como ella es miembro de este. Espérate, ay, no lo encuentro. Es miembro de esta. She's eligible because she's member of this group, ¿no? Puede ser que no estén activos, eso también lo dudé, como que no sabía si estaban activos o no. Los
But
cosas.
where did you see all that information that you entered there?
That information, I saw it namely when in the benefit group. She was member of active employees in U.S. salaried, and she was member of 2 groups. Member of active employees in U.S. salaried and FG benefits. And then she had a list of memberships y yo escogí como 4, como por no escogerlas todas, pero tenía una cantidad. Entonces.
Can you, let's do something. Look for the information and
Okay.
you show me, you can show
Okay.
us.
Okay.
So
That's how I lo dibujé. Y el compensation package total lo puse anualizado, o sea, al año, porque tú preguntaste, what is the compensation
package.
O sea, había que poner un nombre, ¿sí? Tú acabas de explicarlo, había que poner un nombre. Yo pensé que simplemente había que poner el total del compensation package en números y puse lo mismo que los demás, ¿sí?
Correct.
O sea, como
You
el
thought it
total
was, you thought it was like the
anual.
total compensation.
Sí, como el hourly rate or total base pay, entonces uno asume como, bueno, ese es el salario anual, ¿no? 125,000, lo que sea. Y luego el compensation package, pues es como la cantidad
Correct.
Incluyendo los beneficios y todas esas cosas.
I know your logic. I understand your logic,
¿Me entiendes?
but in Workday, compensation package is not like we add up everything and then we get a number. That's the
Okay.
total compensation. The compensation package is something different. Like I just explained, like we have eligibility rules and we have
Okay.
a configuration, we have compensation grades, we have compensation plans. You see,
Okay.
it's very different. But I know where you're coming from because of the word package. Like perhaps you thought it like it was like grouping everything, but not in this case. In Workday, it's a little bit different.
Vale.
Okay, so let's
Perdón,
go
los calditos tan
back.
dulces. Sí.
So let's go
O sea,
back
view
here.
compensation, review statement history. Estoy viendo a María Cardosa.
Let's continue with this one. So this one is
Ahorita me lo
okay.
metí.
Bonus, the HR partner that supports the chosen employee, Logan McNeil. Haha. Yes, so we go here, actions. Security, view support roles. And over here we have HR partner, Logan McNeil. So we have 2 points. Find out the open pay period. Okay, nobody was able to do this. Maria Elvira gave an answer, provided an answer, but it was not correct. Let me show you how to find that information. This one is very useful and it
And the
took me
open pay period is the like pay period that we're currently in, right?
correct. It might not
Currently?
be the like an open pay period like in the present because this tenant is, like for training.
Oh, gotcha. Okay.
Yeah. So we go here to pay. We go to. So Maria Elvira provided this answer.
Like el último, sí, como el
Correct.
most recent, que era como 2019 semi-monthly, para el mío, no
Correct.
para mi personaje.
Correct. But the fact that it's here, it doesn't mean that this is the one that's open. So we go here to pay group. Then we go here again to pay group. Then we go here again to pay group. And then we scroll down. And here we have period status, this table. Then we look for, you see the calculation status is not started yet. So this is what is going to give us the clue. So we scroll down, scroll down. Let me change this to, oh, it's all already.
So it's in period status?
So this is the one. Yes, it's in this
In
table.
progress.
This is
Tiene
the
que
one
ser
in
todo.
progress. So it goes from January 16, 2019 to January 31st, 2019. Okay.
Okay.
So make sure you remember this because you will use it. Mark my words, you will use this information. So make sure
So,
to remember. Let's do it again.
please.
Okay.
Exactly.
So we went to pay.
Let's do it again. So we go to pay. Then when you go to pay, you land here, right? So pay group, pay group, pay group, scroll down. Here's the status, and here it is. So it's pay group, pay group, pay group, period status. Got it?
Got it.
Yes.
Yep.
Okay, so no points on this one.
So, Charlie, perdón, el period status tiene que decir la palabra que decía ahí, open, o sea, el open pay,
in progress.
in progress, esa es la clave. Eso
Correct.
significa open, ¿sí?
Correct, because this one, look, this one is complete. This is not the one in progress. This is not the one open. This is complete. This is closed already. This is the one in progress, which means it's open.
Okay.
Okay. Changes to employee information. Change for submitted but still in progress. Okay, let's view. Wait. In progress. Okay, let's see. Actions. View worker history. Prefer name change. Successfully completed. So let's see here. Person LB. Yes, that's correct. Yeah, that's correct. So if I go to here, personal data, maintain names. Yeah, legal name Leslie and preferred name L. Perfect. That's correct. So that's 1 point. Yes. Edit the marital status of your employee. So let's check. Let's do a double check. So we go here to personal, and the marital is married. And you said is I cannot see this.
From single to married.
Single. Where does it say married? Let's check the worker history. Let's check. Let's check. Marital status, married. So let's go to worker history and preferred. So changes started from here. Preferred name change. Manage work home contact now. Did you submit it, Leslie?
Now I'm wondering. Uh,
Cannot see anything here.
maybe I didn't. Maybe I just don't get that point.
Marital. I think perhaps you opened the task, change it, but didn't submit it.
Huh.
Because here is single in this screenshot, but she's still married.
Yep. Well, I failed that one.
Okay. So since you found the way to do it, let's award you half point. Okay, marital status. Change your employee's home address. And then approval, let's see. Actions, worker history, work address. Wait, was it home address? Sorry, home address.
And it says in progress.
Yeah, that's in progress. So let's view the details. And yes, was this and now is, oh, well, I already saw it. Perfect. Here. Yeah. was, and this is now the address. Okay, that's fine. The business process is not completed, but hmm.
I would take a half point. I did try
Yeah.
to go in as a proxy of Logan McNeil
Yeah, I would say half
and
point as well.
like approve it, but got stuck.
Yeah, and I think if I'm not mistaken, Sebas and Maria were able to do it and did complete the transaction, so it's fair. Half point. Okay. Certification. So let's go to certifications. L. And this is in career. Certifications. None entered. What happened here? Work experience. No, this is work experience.
Okay, can you show me how to add the certification? Because I did struggle with that.
Yeah. Okay. So let's go start proxy.
¿Esa la sacamos bien?
Open the profile. Yes, I think you both did.
Yeah.
And that one was in career. Certifications, edit. And here you have all you need to enter your certifications. So let's say, let's choose one from here, 3D Inventor and certification number 12345. Issue date is not mandatory, but you can enter it. Expiration date, next. Next, 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 next. Okay. Now let's go back. File, career, certifications, and there it is.
Okay, and so certifications will be from like a pre-approved list. Not always.
Let me check because let me check. Add.
Not necessarily, because
Let
there's
me
so
check.
many possibilities.
Like if you type in payroll, is payroll there? Oh, it is there. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Certified in payroll professional, payroll certification.
Yeah, employees cannot enter new ones.
Okay.
Okay. So what you did was work experience.
Okay.
I like your comment, by the way. Okay, so let's go back here. So no points on that one. Add a second language. Were you able to do this?
I think I just didn't even see that one.
Okay, so we go here, view no, my account, change preferences. Sebas and Leslie got this one right. And here, I can see, I can change the language for my session to any of these languages.
Okay, so it was
Okay.
more like la lengua. change preferences, the language refers to the languages. Ahí,
Can you show us
o
how
sea,
you
ahí
got
estás
there?
cambiándole. Sí, please, ¿nos puedes
What?
volver a mostrar? ¿Nos puedes volver a
How I
mostrar
got
cómo
here?
llegaste a ese menú?
Sure. I'm sorry if I was too quick. So we go here to the profile picture, then my account, then change preferences. And here we have the option, preferred display language.
Okay, and there is a way to add the language under the skills, right?
That's another thing. Like this is the
Okay.
display, like the system display language in
Okay.
which you can view the whole tenant. And the other one, we will get there. We will get there. Okay, so for this one, no point. Okay, so bonus, change your employees' work location.
I did not do that.
Okay, so
I did, but I I had Terry help me because in my case, at least in my the person I choose when changing locations also was she told me it was sorry, I forgot the exact words, but when I did the change location, it started the process of onboarding again. So I had different steps to take, like changing contact information again, changing
Okay, I
pages.
saw that. Yeah, I saw
So
it.
that's what I was struggling with, and Tere helped me. Like, no, you just have to do the whole process. And I was like, oh, okay. I got
Yeah.
scared.
Okay, so let's see how this works. I'm going to proxy as else manager, dusting.
Mhm.
Let's look for L. So we have this option here, job change, start job change, or we can job change, start job change, and do it from here, L, LB. Let me cancel this so you can see it's the same. So actions, job change, start job change, and we arrive at the same place, with the difference that worker is already selected because we did it from the related actions button. So what do you want to do? Move worker to different location. Okay. We have some.
So,
Yeah.
¿esto lo hace el manager o lo hace ella, el trabajador? ¿O los dos?
Lo
Oh.
puede hacer el manager, lo puede hacer gente de HR. So let's stop proxy. Stop proxy. Good question, by the way. So I'm logging this login. So I'm going to start job change. And, or let me show you something before we do that. BP, let's go to BP, job change. Change job default definition, this one. And we can see from here who can initiate this task. You see, manager is here. Management chain is also here. So the management chain is like the managers, manager, like everyone, like in the reporting line, like the managers in the reporting line, I mean, HR admins, HR executives, partner, etc. So logged in as the HR partner. Let's go back, start job change. L. Oh. L.
LB.
What? What is happening? What is happening? Okay, let's discard this. Actions. Job change.
Arriba.
Change location. This is. Wait, one moment, please. This is. Okay, I got it. I got it now. I understand. So let's do it again. Change location. Okay. So when do you want this change to take effect? So let's do it effective right away. Why are you making this change?
Transfer, promotion,
Data change location.
location.
So we have all these options. Demotion, lateral move, promotion, transfer. So this is, when something about the employee changes, the cost center changes, they move to another manager, we are demoting them, etc., etc. So we use this task a lot. So we'll start. And the location is going to be, let's say, I don't know, San Francisco. Let's see, San Francisco, there we go. Then scheduled weekly hours can remain the same, work shift can remain empty. Details, well, we're not gonna change anything else. So that's it, we submit. And now we have Dustin Worth
Approve.
to approve it. So let's go here, Dustin Worth. We're going to proxy as Dustin. Okay. And we go to the inbox or to my tasks. And we have here data changes LB. And we can review this blue dot are the things that are changing. And like the red crosses are the ones that are being removed. So like if you want to, like you can quickly look over this by only focusing on the blue dots, because these are the things that are changing. So when is this going to take effect? Why? And where? Location. Okay, so let's approve. Okay, success, event approved.
Okay.
Now Logan McNeil, assign organizations. Okay, so let's proxy as Logan. Again to the inbox, and we have here assign organizations. So let's say since this girl is moving to San Francisco, I don't know, let's change the cost center. And
Pero eso es otro paso, ¿cierto? O sea, that's
yeah,
another step beyond the change location, right?
no.
I mean, then
So
now you're changing the organization. You're assigning another organization, or
no, so it's, remember the definition of a business process?
Mm,
Do
yeah.
you remember that? The definition of a business process? What is a business process? Elvira?
¿Para qué pregunté? No me acuerdo. Solo me pareció como que estaba muy largo como todo lo que había que hacer porque creía haberle cambiado la location a mi personaje. Y ahora veo que estás como de pronto haciendo otro paso, no sé,
I think yours
pero
was still in
correct,
progress. Yeah, if
pero
I
estaba
remember,
correcto.
it was in progress. But what is the definition of a business process? Any ideas?
Business process.
It's very short, very concise.
A task?
No, a task is different than a business process. We went over this already. An idea, any idea?
No.
What?
No idea.
No idea? Sebas? Leslie?
It's an action or
Le estoy
change.
preguntando a ChatGPT, segundo.
Estoy buscando el glosario.
Okay, for to not extend too much the session.
In
So
Workday and no
a business process, very plain and simple. A business process is a sequence of steps to achieve a business goal. That's it. Got it? A sequence of steps to achieve a business goal. So why am I bringing this up now? Because you're saying this is too long. Of course, it's long because it's a business process, and this is like the third or fourth step in the business process. So it's not just like I changed the location and that's it. No, that has to go through review, approvals, etc., etc. Depends on how the business process is configured. So what we are seeing right now, since we moved Bell from one location to another, it might happen that the organizations are also changing. Perhaps the company in San Francisco is not the same. Perhaps the cost center is different, etc., etc. So we have a chance here. We have the chance to update the location, the organizations as well.
So you have to update all the info. No se supone que estaba todo ya. No, porque claro, ahora tienes que asociarlo a ese nuevo objeto que es el lugar, right?
Correct. So like, since we're changing the location now, perhaps it doesn't necessarily has to be this way always, but perhaps the cost center change or the company change or the division change, etc. And so we just have the chance to update that. So let's go ahead and submit. Now, well, this business process is kind of dull. Now we are going to review again. Okay, let's approve. And now see, the cost center manager needs to approve this. Okay, so let's see who is the cost center manager. Did you notice that before we had the name here? Did you notice that? But right now we have just cost center manager, approval by cost center manager. But who is the cost center manager? Any ideas why this happens? Let me show you. This is not that obvious at the beginning. You see here, approval by cost center manager, and we have more than one cost center manager. We have Betty Lou and we have Carl Abbott. They are both cost center managers. So since Workday notices that there is more than one cost center manager, Workday will not list here like all the people. That only happens when the step is assigned to a single person.
Okay.
Got it? So when you
Yeah.
see this, and you will see this in your testing scenarios whenever you're doing testing scenarios. So you will see up next, cost center manager or HR partner, whatever it is, but you don't see the person. So you open the process tab here and then just proxy from here. Okay, so let's proxy as Betty Liu.
And check
And we
your
have
email.
here, check the
Check
email
your tags.
and assign organizations L. Okay, so let's approve it.
Mm.
Oh my gosh. Now
Another
Logan
one?
McNeil has
Yeah.
to propose compensation change. Okay, so let's do it. So let's proxy as Logan. And propose compensation change. I think we can leave it as it is. Let me try. Yes. No.
Other
Charlie,
one.
What?
pero entonces lo importante es que ella, el personaje tuviera como en su perfil el location nuevo, ¿sí o no? O sea, esa era como esa es la evidencia de que efectivamente se hizo el business process, porque unos toman más tiempo dependiendo de la cantidad de gente que tenga que, pues de todas esas cosas que nos están mostrando, que toca asociar,
Sí,
cambiar,
sí.
actualizar, aprobar. Todo.
Anyways, sí. Yeah. This one is very long. This business process is oddly designed.
Porque ella tiene mucha gente arriba, entre otras cosas, o
No, it's because the business process is just long. It has many steps.
Okay.
So you get the idea. That's the important. So I'll stop it there. Now
Pero yo lo saqué bien. Yo creo que sí.
I think you left the one in progress, so I counted as a yes. So at least you went in and started the task. At this
And I
point,
changed the address, and I checked the email box of the approval manager. No, o sea, el manager que tenía que aprobar lo que era Logan. Exacto.
Okay, so let's continue because I know Leslie has to go in 5 minutes. So how many steps are there in the higher BP? 3, no. So we go here and nobody got this one right. And this one is very easy. Sebas got close. You went with the simplified version of the higher BP. My recommendation, unless you are told to look at the version other than the default definition, always look for the default definition. So
Okay.
you went with the simplified version. Okay. So let's
the higher process is the same porque esa pregunta es what are the steps in the higher process? ¿Eso es una pregunta para todos los higher process o porque yo me imagino que cada organización tiene un distinto higher process o es el mismo Charlie para todos?
No, it's not the same because everyone can configure their tenant the way they can or they want.
Of course.
So in this business process, we have 24 items. I mean, 24 steps. But for another client, they can have 7, 8, 9, 10, whatever. So here we have 24 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
It depends on the organization and on the complexity of the organization and the number of employees.
Correct. And it mostly depends on their processes, like how they want to organize or how they organize their higher business process, how they run that. So remember, we create their reality inside Workday. So we have if this client wants 24 steps, of course, we can create the 24 steps in the higher BP. Obviously, we will try to make it short, make it efficient, etc., etc. But for the sake of this, it is not 3, it is 24.
Okay. So each employee has a specific number, I mean, according to the organization they are working in.
Sorry, can you repeat that?
So each employee, porque la pregunta ¿cómo es exactamente? La pregunta era
How many steps are there in the higher BP?
in the higher business process de la organización que ese empleado hace parte, ¿no?
No, I mean, yes, like in the tenant. Like think about the company is like the tenant, like the whole company.
Okay, sí. Yes. So in the case of María Cardosa, sí.
The case of Maria Cardosa is the same as this one because she is here in the same tenant.
Okay, that is tricky because I thought it was seven steps, and now I see 27. I am like, what? So
Yeah.
I am confused. Like I understand the reasons you're giving, but I am confused because I cannot. So I thought, o sea, me parece dificilísimo.
What confuses you?
Well, this organization, this employee is associated with el que estamos viendo ahora, ¿cierto? ¿Cuál es la relación de este employee que estamos viendo ahora que se llama, ¿cómo se llama este employee que estamos analizando ahora? El que Leslie está
Look.
haciendo.
Here we are not looking at any particular employee. Look, I'm logged in as Logan. I can be logged in, start proxy. Let's log in as Pedro. This one. Let's log in as Pedro. And I can do the same thing. BP hire. Oh, well, he doesn't have any access to the BP hire. Let's start proxy.
Por ejemplo, María Cardosa.
As María.
María Cardosa.
María Cardosa. BP hire. Well, she doesn't have access to the BP hire. But what I want to say is the VP definition is not directly related to the step. I mean, to the employee. The BP definition is the BP definition of the tenant. Is the tenant's BP definition. It doesn't have to do anything with the employee.
No, but the question is, what are the steps in the hiring process? So, o sea, ¿cómo se responde a esa pregunta si estamos supuestamente respondiendo en el tenant de la organización, desde el tenant de la organización a la cual pertenece el empleado? ¿Sí?
El empleado existe en este tenant. O sea, si yo busco a María Cardosa, ella existe en este tenant. Pero lo que pasa es que todavía o sea, tienes como una asociación entre que ese VP es como específico para María Cardosa. No. El VP es el VP del tenant. O sea, es el proceso de hire, en este caso, del tenant.
Exacto. Del tenant.
Del tenant, de este tenant que se llama
que estamos trabajando.
Exacto.
Que se llama Fresenius.
Medical Care GMS 1. Exacto. De este tenant tenemos un proceso de negocio que se llama hire. Y ese proceso de negocio, si lo abrimos, tiene 24 pasos.
Ah,
Mira que aquí yo no me he metido con ningún empleado. Yo no he hablado de María, no he hablado de Logan, no he hablado de nadie. Yo solo estoy metido en el tenant y quiero ver
de Fresenius.
en este tenant de Fresenius que se llama GMS1, cuántos pasos tiene el proceso de hire.
Entonces, bueno, de pronto esa fue la confusión, como cuál es el BP process de perdón, cuál es el business process, cuál es el business process para un hire, ¿sí?
Ujú,
En el tenant de Fresenius, tararara. Entonces así uno más o menos dice, no, pero no se está refiriendo al hire process específico que sufrió María Cardosa o el que ella, sino que es en general de todo el tenant
ujú.
que estás preguntando.
Sí,
Esa de
es que, o
pronto
sea,
fue como
los business processes los miramos desde esa perspectiva más, como más amplia,
más
porque
general.
exacto, no los miramos como específicamente para el empleado,
Vale.
¿vale?
Y como esa era como de pronto la duda, porque estamos pensando, es que o sea, estamos como jugando el rol del empleado, ¿no? Entonces yo estaba como
Pero
asumiendo que todas las preguntas.
mira que esta sección se llamaba Look for Other Information. Tal vez,
Okay,
bueno,
okay.
aquí,
Or
o
look
sea,
for other information related to the tenant in general, or related to the
ujú,
tenant, or to the Fresenius tenant. Entonces así uno sabe, bueno, esto no se refiere solo a un empleado, sino que se está refiriendo a todo el tenant de Fresenius.
exacto.
Sí, sí,
Pero
exacto.
bueno, pero ¿te quedó claro que la diferencia?
Sí, claro, claro.
Perfecto,
Pues sí,
perfecto,
bye boy.
perfecto, perfecto. Esa es la idea. Bueno, entonces, who can initiate the hire BP? Creo que esta tampoco nadie la sacó bien. Creo que Sebas la sacó bien, mentira. Entonces, who can initiate the hire BP? Entonces nos vamos al BP hire y we open here security group restrictions and we can see the initiating security groups. So these are the security groups who can initiate hires, hire, the hire BP, sorry.
Pero otra vez se está refiriéndose al tenant de Fresenius,
Al tenant,
¿sí?
al tenant.
De Fresenius.
Yes. So Leslie put here HR partner, but the list is incomplete.
That's
So
okay. I got it wrong. I'll take it.
yeah. Bonus point, who can rescind the business process, the higher BP? Okay, so this one, we didn't see it, but it's here. So we go here to the related actions for the BP. Then we go here to the business process policy, and then we go here to view. So the business process policy, security policy, is the one who's going to like is the one place that is going to tell us who can do what and who can see what for that business process. So in the
Es que eso
case
no lo hemos
of
visto.
no, that's why it was a bonus. In the case of hire, so we just we can see here initiating action, hire, recruiter, initiating action, the web service. We will see what is a web service later. All these people, convert to employee, hire employee. It has several sections. But what we are looking for is the rescind, the ability to rescind. So we
Yes.
go back, we go down. So we have approve, we have ad hoc approve, we have who can cancel web services, and we have here who can rescind this business
Okay.
process.
Because
These
that depends
groups,
again on the tenant. That depends
yes,
again on the tenant.
that depends on
Each
the tenant.
tenant has different.
Yes, like one client can have, I don't know, the manager here, something like that, that different security group. But Anyway, this is the place in this business process security policy where you can find who can rescind, who can cancel, who can approve, who can take certain steps or action steps in the business process. Okay, so we got that. We didn't get that one. And lastly here, last section. Where's the option to change the language in which you see the tenant?
Esos no son los
Did you?
preferences que habíamos visto.
Yes. I think, Leslie, you didn't answer this one, right?
I did not. Nope.
Yep. Okay. What is the purpose of an inbox filter? Leslie and Sebas got it right. So let's see what's here. Prioritize what can be done by you and what of the load can be shared by the team.
O sea, esa la sacamos bien. Pero ese te estabas refiriendo al task inbox, Charlie, o al inbox, al task inbox, me imagino, claro.
Al inbox filter de los tasks. Entonces, si yo voy aquí, tasks, filters, vengo acá, filters. Esto lo que me permite es filtrar el inbox dependiendo de lo que yo escoja acá. Entonces, para yo poder ver con más facilidad las tareas que tengo acá pendientes. Entonces, vamos a ver. Overdue. Entonces, me va a filtrar todos los tasks que están overdue. Si coloco acá Change Organization, me va a filtrar todos los tasks que son de Change Organization Assignment. Los de Compensation, no action, o sea, no tengo ninguno de Compensation. Payment Election, aquí tengo varios de Payment Election. Miren que todos son Payment Election, Payment Election, Payment Election, Payment Election. You see? So,
is there? So maybe my answer is wrong. Because I thought there was a way to, like, don't some things come to you, like if you're an HR partner, that are assigned to you, but are also assigned to like the managers and the other supervisors? And isn't there a way to filter that stuff out? Did I misunderstand in a prior conversation?
I'm sorry, can you repeat?
So not frequently, sometimes there are tasks like we saw in the one business process that are assigned to multiple people, right? Like an approval might be assigned to 2 or possibly 3 people. So isn't there a way to filter those tasks out? Because like if I have 20 tasks, but 5 of them can only be done by me and the rest can be shared, is there no way to filter that? Did I imagine that?
I think not, because let me show you here. Let's see. Let's see Maria. Maria Hernandez. No, let's see another Maria. And let's look for. Let's look for. No, this is not a good example. Request, bonus, compensation change, process. No, not a good example.
Okay. It's okay. I can accept that my answer is wrong.
No, yeah, it's not correct, but I wanted to explain. So what you're saying is, let me just explain. So sometimes we have a business process, right? And this step goes to the HR partner, let's say. any given step in the business process goes to the HR partner, but there are more than one HR partner who can perform the action. I think your logic is around there. So the task will go to all possible HR partners that can complete that task, right? But there is not a way like to like since it's a
Follow up.
shared task, like to filter that out from your inbox. No, the only way that will go away is if you complete the task or if somebody else completes the task, then the task will disappear from your inbox.
Got it. Got it. So I could look at things that are delegated to me. That was one of the filters, but that would not remove the
Okay,
things that are also delegated to other that are shared delegations, right?
correct. So there is an inbox filter. You're right about that. Um, where is it? Delegated to me. This example has nothing to show here. But
Okay. That doesn't help.
this is just showing me task that somebody else delegated to me.
Got it. Okay. Okay.
But that's the answer, yes, to your question. Delegated to me.
No,
Yes.
I think the way I thought the filters could be used, it cannot be used that way, and that's all right. I do have to step away at this time, but I really appreciate you all going through this with me. This was very helpful.
Very
Sure.
helpful for everyone. Thank you very much, Leslie.
Thank you, Leslie. See you. We will reschedule the session to go over the organization's business case.
Have a lovely evening. Bye all. Yep, yep. I hear
Have
you,
a
kiddo.
great evening.
Mm,
Bye bye.
Take care, Leslie. Okay, so we are almost done here. When we cancel an approval request, we're canceling the entire business process, true or false. Why? This depends on how the process has been configured. Okay, so this one is trickier than I was expecting because the depending on the business process, this can change. So if it is for a benefits for a benefits enrollment or for a task that is related to a benefit business process, we can cancel.
Mhm.
Otherwise,
It's more complex,
that that
perhaps.
that's the complex part. Like if we are talking about let's take this one for example. Manage business process for worker. Let me cancel this one. This is, I mean, all items. What is where is this one? It's this one. Yeah, it's this one. Okay, let me cancel this. Okay, let me cancel this one. Let me cancel this one. Okay, so I canceled three
Ahí
tasks.
estás cancelando business processes
No,
o
so
tasks o tasks.
nothing. I'm canceling nothing. So if you see here, I click cancel and I just like the system moves away from the task, but the task is still here. You see, I'm gonna press cancel.
But that's not how you cancel a task.
No.
So what are you doing? What's the name
So
of that action?
when we have this button here that says cancel and it is not for a benefits related task, when we press, it just moves away to the next tab. moves to the next task. Okay, so
Okay.
look here. I'm gonna press cancel, and then we move to this one. Look, this is the one open. I'm going to press cancel, and then it just moved to the next one. But the tasks are still here. Okay.
So that's so you're not canceling the task. You're just
No, you're
moving on.
correct. Yeah, you're just moving on. You're not canceling anything. So just for you to be aware of that.
Aware, yes. Eso no, o sea, eso no es nada.
No, it's nothing.
O sea,
It's like I'm moving on. I'm not gonna do this now. Cancel. Which doesn't make too much sense. This should be something like, I don't know, move to next task or
omit, sí, como
something like,
ignore, algo así.
yeah, something like that. But this doesn't do anything. Well, I do not see any one related to benefits. But anyway, for benefits, it's different. For benefits, we do cancel the task. Okay. And what is the prefix to look for job requisition? Now, this is the prefix is JR for job
Yeah.
requisition, BP for BP column, log
And also I
column.
was noticing, Charlie, that it's important que son mayúsculas o minúsculas, ¿no? Eso también lo lee Workday. O sea, Workday diferencia para algunas cosas. O sea, porque me di cuenta que era importante, o sea, como, o no sé. BP, por ejemplo, es BP mayúscula.
No. Look,
¿No?
BP, higher.
Ah, ok.
No, ahí sale. Location.
Vale.
Location Boston. Ahí sale, ¿no?
Okay.
Lo que es importante es que tenga los 2 puntos, porque si no tiene los 2 puntos, no aparece. Entonces aquí Leslie tuvo unas cuantas buenas. Entonces le podemos dar medio punto. Ay, bueno, chicos, eso era.
Listo. Muchas gracias, Charlie.
Muchas
Tenía unas
gracias.
dudas que no sabía si respondió bien o mal.
Bueno.
Sí, es interesante hacer este feedback porque aprendemos todos, creo yo.
Sí.
Entonces, pues es importante eso, o sea, es chévere eso, ese feedback opportunity, ¿no? Para crear ese ambiente de aprendizaje.
Sí, exacto. Eso me encanta que lo veas así. Esa es la idea. Esa es la idea. Bueno, como les decía, chicos, yo estoy un poco atrasado revisando sus business cases, que he tenido varias cositas de clientes pendientes. Pero bueno, voy a hacer lo posible para revisarlos y poder programar esa sesión.
Muchas gracias.
Charlie.
Bueno, pues
descansen. Have a great
Gracias.
evening.
Vale.
Tarde.
Bye.
Vale. Bye.
Bye.
Chao.